EAS in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lafayette County in Big Bend, Florida, Taylor County in Big Bend, Florida, central Jefferson County in Big Bend, Florida, Madison County in Big Bend, Florida, southeastern Cook County in Georgia, south central Berrien County in Georgia, Lanier County in Georgia, Lowndes County in Georgia, eastern Brooks County in Georgia, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hahira to 9 miles south of Quitman to 9 miles south of Monticello to 8 miles east of St. Mark's to 17 miles southeast of Crawfordville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harry, Lake Park, Franklin, Quitman, Hahira, Ray City, I-75 at exit 16, Moody Air Force Base, Remerton, Mays, Dasher, Greenville, Lee, severe weather information, Jug Island, Barretts and National Weather Radio. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Big Bend, Florida, and south central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Jefferson, Madison and Taylor, and Brooks, Georgia. These are the 7 p.m.